Taiwan is set to resume its visa waiver for citizens of certain countries from September 12th. The announcement came on Monday during the government's daily COVID briefing. In addition to citizens of Taiwan's diplomatic allies, citizens of the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and some European countries will be allowed in visa-free. The weekly cap of 50,000 entries into Taiwan will stay in place. All arrivals will have to take a saliva COVID test, quarantine for 3 days and monitor their health for a further 4 days.